Hello, it is the 1st of October, a Wednesday, and it's sometime past 6, so happy new month everyone. I'm not at work today because it's a general public holiday here, so I've been at home. I haven't done anything, I've just been sleeping, on my phone and eating. Today is the day, drum roll please. I finally bought my tripod. Yes, so I and my sister are taking a little stroll. I'm going to buy my tripod. And I'm very excited because it has been a long time coming. I was originally going to order it, but online it's very expensive and the cost of delivery too was also going to be added. And so since there was somewhere outside, I was like, why not just buy it even though it's the same price? I at least can save myself the cost of ordering it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So let's go.
It's in play. Yes, like it. That one is another.
Hey,
You know, secret everything. So anyway, so that was like, oh, okay. She's like, so as I was driving there, he realized I knew the road. She's like, oh, it's like just far down. I was like, oh, like, this is a fire. She's like, oh my god, he's not with that person, so he ran. He drove there and found out was way out of fire. Hey. So he was not trying to get like some products outside of the product, so but bumper. See the precious solution program. Blah blah.
wait, how do you open this again?
From the bumper. Although I just noticed that he was showing me this thing. Simply P was on TV and everything, and Benguchi was remote. My brother's girlfriend, like, this is just nice.
Cool.
So that's P this one like it and Bonga works in security, so the resume is about. She literally announced to the family that he wanted to get married, and then he was like, you know what, let's do. So, Bonga gets to his house.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
I'm back home and I got a goodie bag with me. This is me experimenting with my tripod, by the way. We got a goodie bag. So let me show you guys what I got. It has like, it's leather, and the inside it's very simple but pretty. I really like it. It also comes with a pen. There's also a tote bag, and then for the good parts we have water, and we have malt and food. We got food. It's the same as I got in my recent video. I showed you guys what it was. It's the same thing. Thankfully it has not spoiled because they gave us this since like 12. So So it is fried fish, chicken, jollof rice, and fried plantain. I'm going to warm it in a pan because warm it in microwave is going to take forever. And I'm actually quite hungry. Let me put it in the freezer. Not really. It's light, but using the induction is just it's going to click on that time. I'm trying to find the easiest way out. So gas it is. Cheers.
Your phone camera is like I can see my nails really well. Man, the rice is less dry than last time.
Okay.
요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니? 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행 형